of the environment, floor, wall, electric fan, air conditioning unit, close all the windows and doors to prevent the baby from catching cold. Next is prepare all the necessary materials. Make sure that all the materials are available to save time and prevent inconveniences. Next is the preparedness of the caregiver or the readiness of the caregiver. The caregiver should know the basic procedure, should not visit, should clean the nails, remove all the deodorant, and fix the hair, and should wear apron to prevent from getting cold. First is remove the diaper area. Then get a cotton ball, soak in clean water, clean the diaper area. Next is discard, then get a thermometer. Clean the thermometer using cotton balls with soaking and alcohol from up to 10 in a circular motion. Then tickle the anus of the baby for at least then insert the thermometer and inch deep for at least 1 minute. After 1 minute, get again another cotton ball, soaking in alcohol, and use the thermometer from 10 to 12. If the temperature of the baby is higher, the blue testing part starts. If the temperature is lower, swaddle the baby and cuddle for at least 3 to 5 minutes and then check again the temperature. If the temperature is below normal, proceed with the baby. Next is, if the temperature is not normal, undress the baby, but make sure that the cloth will follow the body of the baby. Then, for them. Get the two basin with a clean water. Check the temperature of the water using the palm of your hand on your elbow. And if the temperature is optimal, prepare the baby in a comfortable position. Make sure that your middle finger and your thumb is covering the face of the baby. Okay, then flush with water, then lather your hands with mild soap. Use only the palmar side of your finger, not the palm itself. Then soak the head of the baby in a circular motion, going downward, take attention of the back of the ears. Then blink slowly and pat the right, and return the baby to its position. Next is clean the face. Cleaning the face, form a mitten in your hand. So three techniques from one side of the forehead, crossing the nose, then to the chin. Use the other side of the mitten, one side of the forehead, crossing the nose, then to the chin. The three techniques, forehead, cheek, and chin. The other side, forehead, cheek, and chin. Now the eight technique, one side first, one side, and two legs. Okay, after cleaning the face, it's now time to clean the eyes. Cleaning the eyes, we use our towel, soak in a clean water, then from clean the eyes from inner canthus to the outer canthus, then inner canthus to the outer canthus. Then pat the right. After cleaning the face, we expose the upper extremities and the upper body of the baby. Flush with water, lather your hands with soap, start soaking the neck region, the armpit, the armhole, paying attention on all the physical status of the fingers. Rinse the head immediately to prevent getting of the baby once the baby starts sucking. Next is expose the lower extremity. Make sure that you cover the umbilical sac of the baby. Flush with water, lather your hands with soap, start soaking the one area, going downward to the back of the knees, down to the floor, pay attention on the physical status of the toes. Next is clean the back. Cleaning the back, turn the baby in a sideline position, make sure that you are supporting the chin and the back of the baby. So flush with water, lather your hands with soap, from the upper back, going downward, down to the bottom area. Now, I'm cleaning the genitals. If the baby is a male or a boy, so flush with water, get a cotton ball, soak in clean water, then lather it with soap. Start to clean the tip of the penis, down to the shaft, down to the scrotum, then discard. Then if the baby is male or female or girl, so get a cotton ball, you need to lather it with soap, soak in a clean water, then do the 7 strokes. One side, discard another, the other side. Doesn't necessarily mean you're going to use 7 cotton balls. Other side, then discard other side. And the last one should be a 1 line on the middle. Okay. Next is after taking the baby for final rinsing, carry the baby again in a football hold position. Make sure that the upper body is much lower than the lower extremity. So, swim to the upper body, reach forward, then immerse the lower extremity, then the other part of the body. Then get a clean towel, pat by the baby. This is the perfect time to give massage to the baby. As a preference of your employer, what they want to use is lotion or oil. Okay, assuming lotion, so a massage to the extremity is the twist and turn massage. Twist and turn. Then the twist and turn. Twist and turn. A massage to the chest is the eye level massage. I love you. I love you. A massage to the stomach area is the sun and moon. Sun and moon. Sun and moon. Okay, after that, you can now wear the cloth of the baby. Make sure that the cloth will follow the body of the baby, but do not close it yet. Put on the diaper, but do not close it yet. It's time to clean the umbilical sac. Clean the umbilical sac. Get a cotton ball, soak in alcohol or whatever kind of solution. Then clean the umbilical sac from inner to outer. After that, close the diaper. Close the diaper of the baby. So, before feeding the baby, we have to clean first the mouth, the nose, and the ears. Clean the nose, get a cotton bud, 1 piece to each side. Clean only the external part of the nose, then discard. Cleaning the ears, get another cotton bud. Clean only the external part of the ears, 1 piece to each side. Then clean the mouth. Formally cleaning the smallest finger and clean the upper palate, then the side of the cheek, massage the gum, then do the J-stroke in the tongue. J-stroke from inner going to the outer inner. Okay, after that, the baby might be hungry, assuming we have prepared already from your formula. So shake it sideways or in a circular motion, hindi jerky motion. Sideways or circular motion. Open to release the air, then check the temperature or sticking some to your palm side of your wrist. The temperature is optimal. Remove your apron. Carry the baby in a cradle hold position or tummy to palm position. Put the bib. Feed the baby. Make an eye contact the baby to assure that the baby is largely delivered correctly and for body purposes as well. So, medium of feeding. Get a clean cloth, put it on your shoulder, and perfect position. Make sure that carry the baby in a perfect position. Make sure that the chin of the baby is resting on your shoulder and the face is away from your neck. Prevent from suffocation. And do a gentle downward tapping massage. After that, sedate the baby. After consuming the milk formula, birth again the baby, again perfect position. Then do a gentle downward tapping massage. Assuming that the baby is asleep, put the baby in a sideline position. This is the perfect time to clean the nails of the baby. So twice a week on the fingernails and once a week on the toenails. And this is also the perfect time to clean up all the mess, do all the household chores, but make sure that you get the baby from time to time. This is the dapat tinatime kami.